So good morning students of class 7. We'll see that is the next exercise, example 7b. So the question is a plus b. You can see the question. So in this question we have to remove all the brackets. So first we'll start with the small bracket, that is the simple bracket. So see first we'll target where are the small brackets given. So this is one bracket here. Again we have this bracket, and again we have at last this bracket. So first of all we'll remove this small bracket. So removing small bracket, minus sign is over here. We will change all the signs that is inside the bracket, that is plus will be changed to minus and minus will be changed to plus. So now we have removed the bracket. Now we'll come to remove this bracket. First we'll do the work of a small bracket. You remember I have told you, first line bracket, then small bracket, simple bracket, then curly bracket, then in last we'll do the work of square bracket. So now we'll remove this bracket, that is this bracket will remove. So in front of this bracket we have minus sign, so we'll change the sign, that is plus will be changed to minus and minus will be changed to plus. Will not change the sign of this bracket because this is inside the curly bracket. We will change only the sign that is inside this bracket. This is very important, you must know. Okay, so since we have now removed this bracket, so now we are left with one more small bracket, simple bracket, that is this one. Now again we will remove this bracket. Again there is minus sign, will multiply, or we will just simply change the sign that is inside that bracket. या तो हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं या फिर इस सिंपल ब्रैकेट या स्मॉल ब्रैकेट के बाद जो भी साइन है उसको उल्टा लिख देंगे, दैट इज़ माइनस सी प्लस है तो माइनस कर देंगे. ओके, and minus will be changed to plus. Now we'll write this as it is. Now we have completed the work of a small bracket. Now we'll do the work of curly bracket. So there is plus, we don't need to change the sign of any of the numbers inside it. We'll write this c plus a minus b minus c plus d as it is because it is plus. So we will write this and remove the curly bracket. Now we are left with only square bracket, and in front of square bracket we have plus. Again nothing to worry, we have to copy the same whole thing as it is here. But if in place of plus there would be minus, then we would have to change the signs of all the numbers. So we will write this and we will see how many numbers gets cancelled. So after calculating this we get answer A. Question number 5 we'll see. Here also we'll first target the small bracket, that is this one. This small bracket will target and we'll try to open this bracket first. After that we'll open this bracket, and after that we'll open this bracket. Same is the process. So in this type of sums we have to go step by step. Okay, you cannot do everything at once, you have to go step by step in order to get your answers correct. So you see I have done same thing as I have done in this one. Okay, if you have any problem in understanding this type of sums, you can just message me. Okay, and we will just take some few Zoom classes to clear all your doubts. I know you might all have doubts in your mind. Once our syllabus is over, I will just take one or few Zoom classes in order to clear all of your doubts, so you don't have to worry. but you have to now listen to this. You have to watch the video properly and try to understand. So in question number 10, the question is this. So we have to, again we'll target a small bracket first. This will do, we'll remove this first, then this, then we'll do this, then we'll remove the bracket this. So removing this, we'll multiply minus 20a into a, minus 20 into a, that is minus 20a, minus 20a into minus d, that is minus into minus will be plus, so minus 20a plus 20d, plus 3 into plus b, that is 3b, plus 3 into minus c, that is minus 3c. So this will write same as it is, this also will write same, and this, now here we will change it. So 4d, 4 into minus 4 into plus d, that is minus 4d, minus 4 into minus a is plus 4a. So we'll write same as it is. After that we'll see all the small brackets we have done. Now we'll remove this curly bracket. We have to multiply 3 with all these numbers and we will change the sign. That only I have done. Similarly we'll do, after removing curly bracket, we remove the square bracket in this way, and after getting this we get this sum and we'll calculate this sum and we'll get the answer as 4a plus b plus c. So thank you students very much. I hope you have understood.